Today in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Soundcore Life A2 NC True Wireless Earbuds. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. Coming in at $79, these earbuds feature hybrid active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.0, an IPX rating of 5, and the ability to customize your listening experience with the Soundcore app. In the box, you're going to find the user manual, a USB-C charging cable, 2 additional ear wings and 4 additional ear tips, the charging case, and the buds. The charging case is made of plastic and has a matte black finish. Located on the front, there's the LED battery level indicator lights. On the bottom, we have the reset button. And on the back, we have the USB-C charging port. It's equipped with a 750 milliamp battery, which is going to give you up to 28 hours of additional playtime with your buds. Opening the lid, it snaps into the open position and remains firmly in place. And when the buds are inserted into the case, the buds are securely held in place by the charging contacts. For the earbuds, they're made of a plastic with a two-tone finish and feature the Soundcore logo on the stem. Now, to get the most comfortable fit for your ears, you can easily swap out the silicone ear tips and wings with the spares that were provided in the box. While comfort and design is always important, there's also 3 mics on each bud that help filter out the ambient noise while on calls. You also have the customizable controls on the stems, and you have 11mm drivers. So to get these connected to your device, all you need to do is open up the case to put them into pairing mode. Should they already be connected to a device, just head down to the bottom of the case and hold down the reset button for 3 seconds to put it into pairing mode. Once it's looking for a device to pair to, head over to your device, go into your Bluetooth settings, and start scanning. Once the Soundcore Life A2 NC shows up in the list, just click on them to pair. Once you're paired, anytime you power them on, they'll automatically try to connect to the last device it's successfully connected to. Like most of the Soundcore Life and Liberty Series headsets and earbuds coming out, you have the option of using them with the Soundcore app on your phone. By using the app, you can take advantage of the pre-configured EQ profiles or create your own with custom settings. Checking out the different noise cancellation options, you have 3 different modes to choose from: transport, indoor, and outdoor. Choosing the option that best matches your environment will help eliminate the most external noise. With transparency mode, we have 2 different options: fully transparent or vocal. Depending on your selection, it will allow for different sounds to pass through. And for your touch controls, you'll be able to select up to 2 different tap actions on each bud. As mentioned earlier, each bud can control up to 2 different actions. Activating each option requires you to either double tap the Soundcore logo or hold your finger down on the logo for 3 seconds. Using these buds on a regular basis, I found that the touch controls worked really well and activated each action on the first attempt without having to put a lot of pressure. When it came to the listening experience with these buds, in my opinion, they didn't disappoint. Using them to listen to rock and hip hop, the mids and the highs sounded great, and they didn't distort at high volumes. And if you like bass, you'll be satisfied as well. And with ANC, I thought it did a decent job blocking out ambient noise, but it still allowed some sounds to leak through. When using transparency mode, I was able to hear things like sirens and voices pass through. Looking at the battery life, Soundcore says you can get about 7 hours of playtime. In my testing, using them at 80% volume with ANC off, I was able to get 6 hours and 38 minutes of playtime. And with ANC on, I was able to get 6 hours and 2 minutes. And should you run out of battery, placing them in the charger for 10 minutes will get you another hour and a half of playtime. Testing out the latency, let's see how they perform. As you can see in here, the buds remain in sync through our tests. This is a sample of the microphone on the Soundcore Life A2NC. If you're interested in purchasing or learning more about these buds, I'll be dropping the product links in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.